Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool Washer 5D or SD error in 2026. So first of all, we need to understand what this error actually means in Whirlpool Washer. So the 5D or the SD error appears when the foam levels get too high. So the fix is also very simple. You just have to let the washer auto correct first. Sometimes the washer will pause and rinse automatically. So in this case, you just have to wait for a few minutes. If the error clears on its own, no further action is needed. Now, if the issue still persists, you just have to simply run, rinse and spin without any detergent. So you can select the button of a run and spin cycle and do not add any detergent. And this is going to help remove any excess foam from the system. Now you need to also use only the HE detergent or high efficiency washers. You can reduce the amount. Even correct detergent in excess can trigger this particular error. Now sometimes excess surge can also slow the drainage. So you can check if the water drains properly. If not, clean the drain filter and hose. The detergent buildup inside the drum and the drawer can also cause this error. So you need to wipe and clean these areas thoroughly. You can also run a clean washer cycle and use a washer cleaner or a small amount of detergent. And this is going to remove the internal residue buildups. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.